This Monday morning. Stephen, welcome back to the show. Good to see you on a Monday. How do we know China will not cheat on any deal they agree to?
Well, we don't know. That's the whole problem, Stuart, isn't it? It's like when Reagan used to have to negotiate with the Soviets, and you knew that you couldn't trust what they were saying, that they would sign anything on the dotted line. You have to have enforcement mechanisms. You have to have verifications. But look, if Trump can pull this off and get the Chinese to agree to buy more of our agricultural products, because our farmers are hurting right now, that could provide some real relief for farmers by increasing the demand for everything from soybeans to rice to cotton, all of the amazing things that our farmers produce. But you have to have verification because they will cheat.
Do you think we could have an all-encompassing trade agreement here, not just with China, but with Japan, Malaysia, Thailand, Cambodia, all throughout Asia? The tariff regime is being applied and getting results. Can we be positive like that? I know you don't like tariffs.
Look, if that scenario plays out, where all Trump is really asking for is a level playing field here, and if he can achieve that, everybody wins. You know, we have lower tariffs that are applied to our exports. They get cheaper goods and services. We can continue to receive the things that they provide to us. Look, I do believe in free trade. Trade is the essence of what economics is all about. But I mean, as I look over the world right now, I mean, you know, what happened in Argentina yesterday was a phenomenal development.
Yeah.
And that is a very positive sign for the fact that what you're seeing, Stuart, around the world, which I think is really cool, is Trumpian candidates are emerging everywhere. Look what's happened in Japan. You might get Nigel Farage in Britain. Everyone around the world is looking at what Trump is doing here in the United States, and people are saying, we want that here in our own country.
You're right. Yeah, that's true. One last one, I should say. Trump says he will raise tariffs on China, on Canada by 10%. Will that have any impact on our economy?
Yeah, look, it could be negative. That'll make things that come in from Canada more expensive, lumber and things of that nature. We got to get this trade deal signed, sealed, and delivered. Obviously, the Canadians have annoyed Trump greatly with this ad that they ran that last week. But look, Canada and Mexico are our two largest trading partners. Did you know that, Stuart?
Yep.
People think it's China. No, Canada and Mexico are our two most important allies, and they're our most important trading partners. So, my goodness, let's get a deal done with them where all three of the countries lower their tariffs, because Mexico and Canada, even though we have a free trade agreement with them, have applied pretty high tariffs on American products. So, level playing, low, flat rate tariffs, close to zero. That's what I want to see.
And if that's what we get, then that's a very positive development. Stephen Moore.
You better believe it.
Oh, it really would be. That's why the market's rallying. Thanks very much, Steve. We'll see you again real soon. Now, dozens of flights, dozens actually, have halted at LAX yesterday. That's because of the government shutdown. Some air traffic controllers, they're not